गाइज अब्रॉड में सब ये पिंक पील लगाकर अपना वेकेशन टैन निकाल रहे हैं. सो लेट्स सी ये पिंक पील मेरे थाईलैंड, गोवा एंड दुबई का टैन निकाल पाता है क्या. हाय गाइस, व्हाट्स अप, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल. आप सब कहते रहते हो ईशा दी लॉन्ग फॉर्मेट वीडियो बनाओ, लॉन्ग फॉर्मेट वीडियो बनाओ. सो टुडे आई एम हियर विद अ लॉन्ग फॉर्मेट वीडियो फॉर you guys. But before we proceed, I want to give you one good news and one bad news. The good news is that I went on my first brand trip of 2026 to Thailand. ट्रस्ट मी, आई वॉज सो हैप्पी. हम बीच पे गए, हमने सन बेदिंग की, सनस्क्रीन रीएप्लीकेशन का तो भूल ही जाओ. लाइक आई डेंट इवन रिमेंबर ऑल ऑफ दैट. एंड the bad news is that when I came back with two very huge pimples, a lot of sun tanning and overall uneven skin tone, guys. रिग्रेट्स मुझे बिल्कुल भी नहीं है बिकॉज मैंने काफ़ी मज़े किए हैं. बट अब वापस आकर टैनिंग एंड अनइवन स्किन टोन का कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा ना. तो आप मुझे कहोगे कि हल्दी लगाओ, बेसन लगाओ. नो गाइस, मैं मम्मी के कुछ भी नुस्खे, हल्दी, बेसन, और आई एम नॉट इवन गोइंग टू गो टू एनी पार्लर टू ट्राई एनी एक्सपेंसिव पील्स बिकॉज आई फील व्हेन आई ट्राई दिस एक्सपेंसिव पील्स द रिएक्शन ऑन माई फेस इज़ वेरी वेरी बैड. एक बार मैं जब वापस आई थी मेरा स्किन पूरा बर्न्ड था. सो आई डू नॉट वॉन्ट टू डू दैट. एंड I found out this one product that a lot of abroad influencers have been trying. I've not seen many Indian influencers talk about it, so I definitely wanted to try this new product out, and it is this L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Bright Anti-Dark Spot Exfoliating Peel. Trust me, I have seen so many influencers abroad try this product out. सबके चेहरों पे ये pink peel लगा हुआ था, so I thought why not try it out as now this is available in India as well. This is how the product looks. It's a peachy pink color formula. Texture is very lightweight, little sticky but does not feel heavy at all. And you know what's the best part? This is a 15-minute wash off peel. You don't have to apply this peel overnight, so it's less hassle. And in the first use itself, I saw that the pimple marks have become slightly lighter. Overall, the skin is looking clearer and the glow is very much visible. Now let me show you how to use this product. Nicely clean your face. Your face should have nothing. Then you have to just squeeze in the tube for the product to come out and apply a nice thin layer. Spread it across evenly on your entire face. Also going on my neck, forehead, very important. सबसे पहले tanning forehead पे ही होती है and the most difficult to remove. Very safe on all the Indian skin tones. And after you apply a thin layer, all you have to do is wait for 15 minutes and then wash it off with cold water. And that's it, guys. सिर्फ यही करना है. एकदम hassle free experience है. बिल्कुल भी वो 10 step वाला स्किन केयर रूटीन नहीं फील होता आपको. And one more thing is that आप सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं आपको ये प्रोडक्ट ही क्यों recommend कर रही हूँ. Number one, that it is clinically tested on Indian and sensitive skin tones. My skin is sensitive and मैं कुछ भी लगा देती हूँ मुझे पिंपल्स एकदम से आ जाते हैं. बट इसको लगाने से मुझे बिल्कुल भी पिंपल्स नहीं आए हैं आज तक, which is a big go ahead from my side to you guys. And number two, मार्केट में बहुत सारे पील्स है, even I agree, बट उनकी जो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है वो 20% है, 30% है, which is not safe for your skin. And this peel by L'Oreal Paris has 15% concentration, which is absolutely safe for even sensitive skin types. Meanwhile, I'm also going to be applying some of it on my hands because hands में बहुत tanning होती है. Okay then, so let me see you after 15 minutes now. Guys, can you see the glow and the instant brightening on my face? My cheeks, my forehead all look so bright. Of course, please don't expect a miracle to happen in the first use itself. आपकी uneven skin tones, pimple marks, ये सारी चीज़ें थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. This is the 4th time I'm using it and see the result. I absolutely love it. Now you will ask me that how come this product performs so well? That's because of the ingredients of the product. Let me tell you. Number one, it has AHA. Now AHA works on the upper layer of the skin, which helps in removing your dullness and your dead skin cells. Next, it has BHA. Now, BHA goes deeper into your pores and fights the pigmentation and acne marks. And if you check the ingredient list of any good peel in the market, it will always have the combination of AHA and BHA. And that's why your acne marks lighten faster and the skin's overall glow and texture improves. Let me show you my skin over the last 3 weeks. Week 1, visible glow. Week 2, tan reduction. Week 3, dark spots visibly lighter, skin tone more even. And like I always say, consistency matters, guys. एक बार यूज करके ऐसे मत बोलना कि अरे ईशा ने तो बोला था कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. You have to consistently use it and then only see results. I will definitely recommend you this product if you have dark spots, acne marks, sun tanning or uneven skin tone, or if you have like a party after your office, you can definitely use this quick fix for your face to get that instant glow boost. The price of this product is 999 and it will easily last you for over 20 uses. You saw it for yourself कि मैंने एक time पर hardly कुछ use किया था and this entire bottle is still there. And yes, one more tip, after using this peel, please use a moisturizer followed by a sunscreen. Sunscreen is mandatory, guys. I use this Glycolic Bright Sunscreen by L'Oreal Paris. So guys, that's all for this video. अगर आपको ये video helpful लगी होगी, then I'm dropping the link of this product in the description. Do check it out. Bye.